Malcolm, let's get to the facts here. We're talking about not a shortage of fireworks inside Judge Vonda Evans' courtroom on a floor here, the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice, inside the courtroom all morning long. Malcolm, I'll tell you that one thing to keep in mind here, the biggest piece of the puzzle in this evidentiary hearing as we go forward, is that Bob Bashara has waived his attorney-client privilege, which means one thing: everything is on the table now, and he could be called to testify at any time. Let's get inside the courtroom and show you how he approached the courtroom in his jail uniform, glasses on, dark glasses. He joined his new attorney, Ronald Ambrose, inside the courtroom. The hearing today for a new trial based on ineffective counsel and a number of motions that were never raised, including a Brady motion as it relates to Jane's clothes after her body was found. Another issue raised by Bashara's new attorney, jury selection. He told the court and Judge Vonda Evans he believes the jury had their mind made up before they were seated, and a change of venue was also brought up. Judge Vonda Evans growing impatient as the morning grew on, but then ruled Bashara's new attorney brought forward enough evidence, provided grounds there may have been ineffective counsel. A recess was called and an evidentiary hearing was then brought forward. Take a listen to Bashara's former attorney, Mike McCarthy, as he grows frustrated with Ronald Ambrose and he questions him regarding the sexual limitations between Jane and Bob when they were married.
So you never went down that road? You didn't try to find it?
Well, you read the trial transcript. No, I didn't go down that road. I wouldn't, in hindsight, I wouldn't go down that road. Okay. It wasn't a road that should have been taken, and he didn't get convicted because I didn't go down that road.
Now, counsel, stop being so argumentative with the lawyer. He's just asking questions.
Okay, very good.
And here, Judge Vonda Evans, they're telling Mike McCarthy not to get defensive here. And that's what a lot of this afternoon was, shortly after about 10 o'clock this morning when she called the evidentiary hearing. Again, this is not a guarantee that he'll get a new trial. No, but what this does is provide the grounds for which he can actually determine, and Judge Vonda Evans can determine if it does need to go to a new trial. Keep in mind that he went through a number of attorneys in his initial hearing. The other thing to keep in mind, again, the biggest news here is that he waived his attorney-client privilege, which means one thing: everything is on the table, Malcolm, and he could be called to testify. Our Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News investigative reporter Jim Kirchner, inside the courtroom now. He'll bring you updates on later editions of Action News, but for now, we're live outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. Malcolm, I'll send it back to you.